But other than that, you do get some manuals, and let me just show you that the manual doesn't tell you much either, but it does tell you the real basics that comes to this. But again, it's really, really basic how you do this. Like I mentioned before, you just need your power. You're gonna need to connect this up to your router. So this is your router, this would be your modem, or some people have a modem that's also a router. So you have to hook it up like so, and then you just go from the app and you do the whole setup from the app. So that's why the manual is so basic, and there's nothing much to it. And then there's this paper, and that's it. So here they are. Once again, they are pretty heavy. So for those of you thinking that you can just put this on a plug somewhere, it's most likely gonna fall off unless you have something really good to hang on to. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.